Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in MCX copper market today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart, and this candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened just above 460. We expect the price will stay in buying, maintaining 459 is top. So it went up near 462, found clear resistance, and you could see we had a very strong drop. But the price had recovered completely and went near 460 and closed near 459. Today it's expected to open somewhere near 461 or within 462 and 460 again. So after a very big drop like this, after the price providing a clear breakdown below 60, it is not good for sellers that the price had complete shown a recovery. So what we can do today: buy above 463, place stop loss near 459. Sell below 459, place stop loss near 463. These are the two ways you can trade. Possibly let's go for buying initially, expecting that the price will move up. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.